Hello everyone. First of all the best from my side to all the candidates who are going to write Eamcet this year. So let's have a look at our questions. If cos of b minus gamma plus cos of gamma minus alpha plus cos of alpha minus beta equals to minus 3 by 2, and he gave two statements. He's asking which statement is the correct one. Statement A, cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma is equals to 0. Statement B, sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma equals to 0. So let us start. The first given question I am taking, that is cos of beta minus gamma plus cos of gamma minus alpha plus cos of alpha minus beta, which is equals to minus 3 by 2. Now here in the denominator 2 is there, that 2 I am taking to the left side, so we will get 2 cos of beta minus gamma plus 2 times cos of gamma minus alpha plus 2 cos of alpha minus beta, which is equals to minus 3. Now this minus 3 which is there in the right side, I am taking this minus 3 also to the left side, so we will get 2 times cos of beta minus gamma plus 2 cos of gamma minus alpha plus 2 cos of alpha minus beta. This minus 3, if I am taking to the left side, it will become plus 3, which is equals to 0. Now this total terms I will write as it is. So we get 2 times cos of beta minus gamma plus 2 cos of gamma minus alpha plus 2 cos of alpha minus beta plus, now this 3 I am writing it as 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equals to 0. Now already we know the identities. First identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So in the place of first one, I will write sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. Next, in the place of second one, I will write sin square beta plus cos square beta. In the third one, I will write sin square gamma plus cos square gamma. Okay, now 2 cos of beta minus gamma, cos of A minus B formula I am applying. So this 2 as it is. So cos of A minus B, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So 2 cos beta cos gamma plus 2 sin beta sin gamma plus again 2 cos of gamma minus alpha. So we get 2 cos gamma cos alpha plus 2 sin gamma sin alpha plus 2 cos of alpha minus beta, 2 cos alpha cos beta plus 2 sin alpha sin beta plus, as I said, in the place of 1 I will apply sin square alpha plus cos square alpha plus, in second one sin square beta plus cos square beta plus, in the third one sin square gamma plus cos square gamma is equals to 0. Now if we observe all the terms whatever we got, we can find one formula in that. Let us observe that first. Sin square alpha plus sin square beta plus sin square gamma. sine square alpha plus sine square beta plus sine square gamma plus 2 sine alpha sine beta 2 sine beta sine gamma 2 sine gamma sine alpha. So it is in the form of a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Sine square alpha plus sine square beta plus sine square gamma plus 2 sine alpha sine beta plus 2 sine beta sine gamma plus 2 sine gamma sine alpha is nothing but sine alpha plus sine beta plus sine gamma whole square plus remaining terms also I am observing cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma plus 2 cos alpha cos beta plus 2 cos beta cos gamma plus 2 cos gamma cos alpha. Again it is also in the form of a plus b plus c whole square. So if we apply, we will get cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma whole square, which is equals to 0. So if we observe this first term sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma whole square, whatever it may be the value inside, we are doing square, so compulsory this answer is plus only. Here second term, if we observe cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma whole square, whatever the number we are applying inside, the square we are doing, so it is also again positive value only. Positive plus positive, it should be equals to 0. So which number should be there in the place of this positive number? It is nothing but 0. So the only possible number is 0. 0 should be there in the place of sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma, as well as 0 should be there in the place of cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma. Then only after doing the square and adding, we will get the answer 0. So it means sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma should be 0, as well as cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma should be equals to 0. These two should be equals to 0. So both statement A as well as statement B, both the statements are true. Okay, our next question is, what is the domain and range of the function f of x is equals to 2x plus 1 divided by x minus 1? So first I am going to solve for the f of x. I mean domain I am solving first. So if we observe the denominator, x minus 1 is there. So in the place of x, if we substitute 1, 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. So we will get 2x plus 1 divided by 0. Any number divided by 0 is not defined. So it means in the denominator we should not get the number 0. Except 0, any other number is possible. So where we are getting this 0? When we substituted plus 1. So except 1. Any other number you can substitute in the place of x from the total real numbers set, that is r minus 1. So this is the domain of the function. Domain of the function given is r minus 1. Next, let us find the range of the function. Range is nothing but after substitution, what answers are possible to get, which answers we will get, which numbers we will get. So first, in the place of f of x, I am writing y. So we will get y is equals to 2x plus 1 divided by x minus 1. This total denominator I am taking to the left side, x into y xy minus 1 into y y, which is equals to 2x plus 1. This 2x I will bring this side and minus y I will bring this side. So we will get xy minus 2x is equals to 1 plus y. Now I want x value. So from the left side I will take out x common. So if I take x common, we remains with y minus 2, which is equals to 1 plus y. Now y minus 2 I will take to the right side. So we get x is equals to 1 plus y divided by y minus 2. So in the place of y, if I substitute 2, it will become 2 minus 2. So 1 plus y divided by 2 minus 2, nothing but 1 plus y divided by 0, which is not defined. So it means in the place of y except 2, I can substitute any other number. So the range will be r minus 2, because here in the place of y, if we take 2, we are getting not defined value. So anyway, we won't get the answer which is not defined at all. So in the answer except 2, remaining all the numbers we will get. So that is range is r minus 2. Okay, the next question is, f is a function from n to n and f of x is equals to x plus 2, and he gave 4 options, whether it is a 1 function or on2 function, or 1 as well as on2, not 1 not on2. So let us check whether it is 1 or not. First of all, here clearly given f is a function from n to n. So this n, first n represents the domain, means which numbers we can substitute in the place of x. It means capital N. So total natural numbers set we can substitute in the place of x. So starting from the first natural number, that is 1, I am substituting. F of x is given as x plus 2. If I am substituting 1, f of 1 is equals to 1 plus 2, that is nothing but 3. F of 2 is equals to 2 plus 2, nothing but 4. F of 3 is nothing but 3 plus 2, which is 5. F of 4 is equals to 4 plus 2, which is 6. If we continue, same we will get answers. So here, if we observe the numbers or answers, what we got here, 3 we got. Again, nowhere we won't get the number 3. Here we got number 4. We won't get the number 4 again. Here we got number 5. We won't get number 5 ever again. So for every one value, only one image is there. One value, one answer. One value, one image. One value, one answer. So this is one function. Next, one more process is there to check whether it is 1 or not. That is, make f of x1 is equals to f of x2. F of x is given as x plus 2. So in the place of x, substitute x1. x1 plus 2 is equals to, in the place of x2, again substitute x2 plus 2. Left side plus 2, right side plus 2 will get cancelled. So we remains with x1 is equals to x2. So if we got x1 is equals to x2, then it is automatically 1 function. Next, let us check for onto function. To be onto function, codomain of the given function should be exactly equals to the range of the function. So here range is nothing but the answers what we are getting. Just now here we checked. Number 3 is coming, 4 is coming, 5, 6, 7 and so on. And what about the codomain he gave? He gave clearly the codomain, that is nothing but the second letter. Again capital N. So that is natural numbers set. Starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. If we observe this range as well as codomain, in the codomain we have number 1 as well as number 2, but whereas in the range number 1 and number 2 both are not there at all here, codomain is not equals to the range. If codomain is not equals to the range, it is not onto function. So the given function is only one function. And one more shortcut you remember, the given function is a linear function. So linear function is always 1 compulsory, that is linear function is always 1 function. But for checking onto, again we need to do the process compulsory. Okay, the next question is, what is the period of cos 3x plus sin 5x? Already we know cos 3x period is 2 pi. Sorry, not cos 3x, cos x. Cos x period is 2 pi. Then cos 3x period will be 2 pi by 3. So cos 3x we got. Next, sin 5x is there. So sin x period is 2 pi. We want sin 5x. That is nothing but 2 pi by 5. It is very simple. Cos x is 2 pi. So cos 3x will be 2 pi by 3. Sin x is 2 pi. Sin 5x will be 2 pi by 5. So now we need to find out the period of this cos 3x plus sin 5x. So cos 3x value is 2 pi by 3 plus sin 5x is 2 pi by 5. We need to find the LCM of these two numbers. So how I will do that LCM is, first I will change this radians to degrees. 2 into 180 divided by 3 plus 2 into 180 divided by 5. 3 ones are 360s are 5 ones are 536 are 2 into 60 120 degrees plus 2 into 36 72 degrees. So we will get 120 plus 72. So these two numbers 120 and 72. If we do the LCM, 120 and the number 72, if we do LCM, that is 120 comma 72. 260s are 120, 236 are 72, 230s are 218s are, 215s are 29s are, 3 5s are 3 3s are. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 3 24, 24 into 5 120, 120 into 3 360 degrees. So the period of cos 3x plus sin 5x is 360 degrees. Again this degrees, if we convert to radians, we will get 2 pi. So the period of cos 3x plus sin 5x is 2 pi radians. Okay, one question is given as f is a function from n to n and f of n is equals to n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd number, n by 2 if n is even number. Check whether it is 1 1 function or onto function, or else not 1 1 or not onto, or both 1 1 as well as onto. Let us check. So first I am taking one odd number 3. If n is an odd number, this is the function, that is n plus 1 by 2. So f of n is equals to n plus 1 by 2. F of 3 is equals to 3 plus 1 by 2. 3 plus 1, 4 divided by 2, nothing but 2. Now again I am taking one more even number, some 4 I am taking. So if it is n is an even number, then we need to take the function n by 2. So f of n is equals to n by 2. So f of 4 is equals to 4 by 2, nothing but 2. Now if we observe these two clearly, when we substituted number 3, we got the answer 2. When we substituted number 4, then also we got the answer 2. So f of 3 is equals to f of 4, which is equals to 2. Here two elements are having the same image number 2. So this is not 1 1. Because to be a 1 1 function, every element from the set A should has only one image. But here two elements have combinedly having the same image. Unique image should be there, but here it is not following that rule. So it is not 1 1 function. Now let us check whether it is onto or not. First, starting from odd number, I am taking number 1. If I substitute in this 1 plus 1 by 2, that is nothing but 2 by 2, nothing but 1. Now again I am taking even number, even. So 2 by 2, that is 1. Now I am taking next odd number 3. 3 if we take 3 plus 1 divided by 2, that is 4 by 2, nothing but 2. Again I am taking even number 4. 4 if we take 4 by 2, which is equals to 2. So if we keep on continue like that, we are getting the range or answers as 1 comma 1, nothing but 1, 2, 2, again nothing but 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6. It continues like that. So if we observe the codomain as well as range, here the codomain is nothing but the second number, that is capital N, total natural numbers list. Here if we observe the range 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma, so this is also natural numbers only. So in this function, codomain is exactly equals to the range. So this is onto function. This is only onto function but not one function. Okay, our next question is f of x is equals to ln into 1 plus x by 1 minus x, and g of x is equals to 3x plus x cube by 1 plus 3x square. Then find the value of f of g of x. F of g of x is nothing but g of x value we need to substitute in f of x. So f of x is given as ln 1 plus x by 1 minus x. So now this total g function I am substituting in the f function. So wherever we have x in the place of x, this total g function I will substitute. So we will get ln as it is 1 plus in the place of x this total function, that is 3x plus x cube divided by 1 plus 3x square whole divided by 1 minus x is there. So 1 minus again in the place of x total function g. 3x plus x cube divided by 1 plus 3x square, which is equals to ln as it is. This you multiply 1 plus 3x square into 1 plus 3x square plus 3x plus x cube plus 3x plus x cube divided by 1 plus 3x square whole divided by these two multiply again 1 plus 3x square into 1 plus 3x square minus into 3x minus 3x minus into plus x cube minus x cube divided by 1 plus 3x square. Here new 1 plus 3x square, 1 plus 3x square will get cancelled. So if we observe the numerator as well as denominator clearly, 1 plus 3x square plus 3x plus x cube, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This is a plus b whole cube formula. So we can write it as 1 plus x whole power 3 divided by the same way in the denominator a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So a minus b whole cube formula 1 minus x whole power 3. Now in the numerator power 3 is there, in the denominator power 3 is there. So I will write that as ln whole 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x whole power 3. Here power 3 is for numerator as well as for denominator. So I am writing it as a together. Now this 3 will come to the front side. So we remains with 3 times ln of 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x. Now if we observe this last line clearly, ln of 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x is nothing but f of x. So this 3 as it is, ln of 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x is nothing but f of x. So I am writing it 3 into f of x. So f of g of x value is 3 times f of x. Okay, the next question is, if f is a function such that f of 0 is equals to 2, f of 1 equals to 3, f of x plus 2 is equals to 2f of x minus f of x plus 1 for every real x, then find the value of f of phi. So here I am taking the given function, that is f of x plus 2 is equals to 2 times f of x minus f of x plus 1. So for 1 by 1 numbers I will substitute. First I am substituting x is equals to 0. If x is equals to 0, so f of in the place of x 0 plus 2 is equals to 2 into f of 0 minus f of 0 plus 1. So f of 0 plus 2, 2, which is equals to f of 0 value is 2. So 2 into 2 plus f of, sorry, minus, right? Minus f of 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 is nothing but 1. So f of 1 is 3. So f of 2 value is 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 3, 1. The same way, if x is equals to 1, f of 1 plus 2, which is equals to 2 times f of 1 minus f of 1 plus 1. If we solve this, f of 1 plus 2, 3, which is equals to 2 into f of 1. 2 into f of 1 value how much? 3 minus f of 1 plus 1, 2. F of 2 value just now we got it as 1. So in the place of that I am substituting. 2 3s are 6, 6 minus 1, 5. So f of 3 value is 5. Now x equals to 4, 2 I am taking. If x is equals to 2. So we get f of 2 plus 2 is equals to 2 times f of 2 minus f of 2 plus 1. So we get f of 4 is equals to 2 into f of 2, 1 minus f of 2 plus 1 is 3, f of 3, 5. So f of 4 is 2, 1s are 2 minus 5 minus 3. Now if x value is 3, so we get f of 3 plus 2 is equals to 2 times f of 3 minus f of 3 plus 1. So we get f of 5 is equals to 2 into f of 3. F of 3 value is 5. So 2 into 5 minus f of 3 plus 1 is nothing but 4. So f of 4. F of 4 value is minus 3. So minus of minus 3. 2 5s are 10, minus of minus plus 3. 10 plus 3, 13. So f of 5 value is 1 3 13. Okay, the next question is, if a plus b plus c is equals to 180 degrees, then find the value of tan a plus tan b plus tan c. So here a plus b plus c is equals to 180 degrees is there. Now plus c I am taking to the right side, so we remains with a plus b is equals to 180 minus c. Now in the question we want all related to tan, so I am applying tan on both the sides. So we get tan of a plus b is equals to tan of 180 minus c. Tan of a plus b formula, tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b is equals to tan of 180 minus c minus tan c. This total denominator I am taking to the right side. So numerator as it is, that is tan a plus tan b is equals to 1 minus tan c minus tan c, minus into minus plus tan a tan b into tan c, tan a tan b tan c. This minus tan c I will take to the left side. So we remains with tan a plus tan b minus tan c will become plus tan c is equals to tan a into tan b into tan c. So the value of tan a plus tan b plus tan c is equals to tan a into tan b into tan c. This is one of the answers. In case if this answer is not there, then what we need to do? We need to go with the arithmetic mean and geometric mean inequality. Arithmetic mean and geometric mean inequality, and we need to proceed further. So let us start that. Okay, if we apply the arithmetic mean of this tan a, tan b, tan c, we will get tan a plus tan b plus tan C divided by 3. For GM, tan A, tan B, tan C whole power 1 by 3. And we know very well AM is greater than or equals to GM. So tan A plus tan B plus tan C divided by 3 is greater than or equals to tan A, tan B, tan C. Now this 3 I am taking to the right side. So we get tan A plus tan B plus tan C greater than or equals to 3 times tan A, tan B, tan C whole power 1 by 3. Now to the right side, to remove this power 1 by 3, I am cubing on both the sides. So here power 3, here also total power 3. So we will get tan A plus tan B plus tan C whole power 3. But in the previous step, we got very well, that is tan A plus tan B plus tan C value is tan A into tan B into tan C. So here in the place of tan A plus tan B plus tan C, I will substitute tan A into tan B into tan C whole power 3 greater than or equals to 3 cube 27. Here cube to root and cube will cancel, so we remains with tan A, tan B, tan C. Next, here tan A, tan B, tan C is there. Here tan A, tan B, tan C whole power 3 is there. So 1 will cancel. So we remains with tan A, tan B, tan C whole power 2 greater than or equals to 27. Now what I will do, I don't want this power 2, so I will apply square root on both the sides. So we will get tan A, tan B, tan C greater than or equals to root 27. This root 27 is nothing but greater than or equals to 3 root 3. So tan A into tan B into tan C value is 3 root 3. Again, same like the previous, we know tan A plus tan B plus tan C is nothing but tan A, tan B, tan C. So in the place of tan A, tan B, tan C, again I will substitute tan A plus tan B plus tan C. This is the second value. So the value of tan A plus tan B plus tan C is greater than or equals to 3 root 3. Okay, the next question is, what is or what are the solutions of the given equation tan theta into tan 2 theta equals to 1? So the given question is tan theta into tan 2 theta is equals to 1. This first term as it is, I am writing tan theta into tan 2 theta formula. I am writing tan 2 theta formula is 2 tan theta 1 minus tan square theta, which is equals to 1. Here 2 as it is, tan theta into tan theta tan square theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta equals to 1. This total denominator I will take to the right side. So we get 2 tan square theta is equals to 1 into 1 minus tan square theta, 1 minus tan square theta. This minus tan square theta I will bring to the left side. So we get 2 tan square theta plus tan square theta is equals to 1. 2 tan square theta plus tan square theta is nothing but 3 tan square theta is equals to 1. This 3 I will take to the right side. So we get tan square theta is equals to 1 by 3. We want the solution, that is nothing but theta value. So I will remove this square. So to remove the square, I will apply square root. So we get tan theta is equals to plus or minus 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 we will get for 30 degrees. So it will be plus or minus 30 degrees in radians form pi by 6. So just add n pi, because n pi plus or minus pi by 6 value is always 30 degrees. So theta as it is. So the value or the solution or theta value is n pi plus or minus 30 degrees or pi by 6. Okay, the next question is A, B, C, D is a square. One square is given. Point A and point C. This is the point A and this is the point C. Opposite points are given as 1 comma minus 1 and 3 comma 4 respectively. Then find the values of B and D. Remaining two opposite sides points we need to find out. So one formula is there for finding this. That formula is x1 plus x2 plus y2 minus y1 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2 plus x1 minus x2 divided by 2. This is for finding one of the points. One point is B, one point is D, right? So this is for finding one of the points B. So this is to find the point B. Now let us substitute the numbers in this. This 3 comma 4 I am taking as x1 y1 and this 1 minus 1 I am taking as x2 y2. So if we observe now, in the place of x1 3 plus in the place of x2 1. Next y2 minus 1, y1 4 minus 4 divided by 2, comma y1 4, y2 minus 1, x1 3, x2 1 divided by 2. So if we solve it, 3 plus 1 4, 4 minus 4 0 minus 1 by 2, comma 4 plus 3 5, 5 minus 2. Sorry, 4 plus 3 7, 7 minus 2 5, 5 by 2. So one of the points is minus 1 by 2, comma 5 by 2. Next, to find the point D, just a small change. x1 plus x2 as it is, x1 plus x2. Now interchange the subtraction. y2 minus y1, here you keep it as y1 minus y2 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2 as it is, y1 plus y2. Here x1 minus x2 is there, so just exchange it as x2 minus x1 divided by 2. Now let us substitute the numbers in this again. x1 plus x2, x1 is 3, x2 is 1, so 3 plus 1 plus y1 4 minus y2. y2 value is already minus 1, so minus of minus 1 plus 1 by 2, comma. Next y1 plus y2, y1 is 4, y2 is minus 1, then x2 plus 1, then x1 minus 3 divided by 2. Here 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 divided by 2, 9 divided by 2, comma here minus 1 plus 1 cancel, 4 minus 3 1, 1 by 2. So point B is minus 1 by 2 comma 5 by 2 and point D is 9 by 2 comma 1 by 2. So the 2 points are minus 1 by 2 comma 5 by 2 and 9 by 2 comma 1 by 2. Okay, till now if you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.